So enough of this shit. So here's someone named Kritip. He said गफ दिन्छ बढी आउँदैनलाई क्युब बनाउन. I don't want to express any hate. Alright, don't believe me, that's fine, but this is kind of a reply video. मसँग क्युब छ है 3x3 है. म जिलोट क्युब अरे बिहानकै मान्छे है. त्यो भ्लग भिडियोमै भएको है. म टोपी पनि खोलिदिन्छु. मेरो क्युब यहाँ छ. यो राख्छु, देखिन्छ होला प्रोबेबली. CS टाइमर लोड गर्छु. लेट्स सी कति सल्भमा पुगेछ. 1580 सल्भमा पुगेछ है. होल्ड अप, 1580. सो म मिलाउन थाल्छु अब त्यहाँदेखि. स्क्रैम्बल डिस्क्रिप्सनमै हुन्छ if you want the scramble also. Alright, so I just feel very bad that you said like that. Cubing like यत्रो चिज गरेछ हैन, like still enough of the hate. Let's just go right into the solve. First solve 16.33 है. नभए त्यहाँदेखि अब 1581 नै देखिन्छ होला. फोकस. Next solve 16.85, second solve. Third solve 16.15. Fourth solve PL बिग्रियो 21.57. Average of 5 गर्दैछु है. Last solve. Fifth solve 18.76. I hope this clears that मलाई क्युब मिलाउन आउँछ कि आउँदैन यदि यसले नि चित्त बुझेन भनेदेखि म अरु भिडियो अपलोड गरौँला के छैन कमेन्ट डाउन फेरि है अनि what was your name I can't remember your name तिम्रो नेम चाहिँ 7F15YUMI थियो I don't know what that means त्यही पनि no hate towards you I just wanted to show that मलाई क्युब मिलाउन आउँछ so yeah I would really love to see your solves right I really love to see them so that is it for this video अरूले हेरे पनि hi guys I'm going to link his description link his name in the description and I'm going to probably upload the screenshot if that is possible right that's it bye guys happy cubing and 7F15 Yumi I hope you got your answers bro peace